morning everyone, and welcome to this week's celebration assembly. I hope you're all enjoying the lovely hot weather. It's been a great week for learning again, both in school and at home. So let's have a look who's earned those Emerald certificates this week. So let's remember the Emerald certificates are for high quality learning, and we've got lots of children this week who've got them. You remember our target was 70 certificates, so remember to count, see how many we've got this week. Starting with Alan Turing class, we've got 2 children this week. We have Edward and Dario, well done. And from the other nursery class, Bob Marley class, we also have 2 children, Jochebed and Ashby. Moving to reception and Rumi class, lots of children this week from Rumi class. We've got Baha, Sarah A's got 2, Sienna, Saban's got 2, and Sarah G's got 2. Brilliant, well done. There's more from Rumi class, Houston and Ronnie, well done. And on to Malala class. From Malala class we have Daisy, Eamon, Reva, Nice has got 2, and Mudassir A. And the final reception class, John Lennon class. Let's have a look who's got them in John Lennon class. Mesa, Ania, Izan, Paolo, Ratchet and Sandy. Well done to all of you. And on to Year 1 and Clay class. Great big well done to Tiana, Aditi, Harris, Gloria, Sophia and Idris. And from Matisse class we have Abbas, Nicole, Yusuf A's got 2, Darsha's got 2, Barthanan and Karutika. There's more, Christina, Zion, Mira, brilliant from Matisse class this week. And Picasso class. Well done to Shreyas, Dahlia, Alma, Daniel, Sharia. That's it for Year 1. Moving on to Year 2 and Bethel class. Sarah, Amy, Amar, Bihan, Yach and Kurumi. Well done. And from Ennis class we have Maria, Nahara, Aitan, Walid, Kamira. And the final class, Homes class. Let's have a look. Well done Tamid, Joseph, Ansh, Diana, Uzeth. Brilliant. So how many was that? Well, it was 64 again, exactly the same as last week. So keep up the great work. Let's try and get to 70 next week. So see you all soon and have a great weekend. Bye.